This is actually my first time winter camping, ever. So, welcome with me. Alright, now, all of you fire people are gonna have to chill a little bit because this will be my first attempt at making a fire by myself. My expectations are low. All of this wood could be too wet and rotted. I don't know. I'm not dealing with actual logs. I just want to see if I can start one, because if I can start one, then I can do whatever I want, right? So let's see. It's probably gonna go out because it's wet, but I don't know. I gave it a shot. We'll see what it does. Well, I guess it was more the idea of the fire that counted anyway. Whatever. Fine, God. Hi y'all, I am tucked into bed. I'm in my sleeping bag and I have a blanket wrapped around me to kind of seal the heat in so that, I don't lose heat in the entrance of the bag. So I decided to record because I'm anxious. It's really quiet. It's so quiet that my ears are ringing. For those of you who don't know, I am in Appalachia, I think. And I know it's haunted, but that's not really my main worry. Right now, my main worry is that on the way in here, on the way through this road to get to this campsite, there was a bit of mud, and I think it's going to warm up over the next couple of days, and I'm scared that the mud will get worse and deeper and slushier, because there's some snow around here that's melting. It has been a little bit uncharacteristically warm in this area. So I'm worried that I won't be able to make it back out of the road. I'll walk down tomorrow and see if I can get out. I do have safety measures in case I get stranded. One of them, the main one, being this SOS device called the Motorola Defy that Overwatch and Rescue sent me last year. They didn't have to send that to me. I don't get a whole lot of views, it was like out of the goodness of their hearts that they sent that to me. And honestly, I could cry if I think about it too much, because it makes me feel so much safer. And I'm really grateful that they sent that to me. So thank you. I really shouldn't worry too much about something like getting stuck in the mud, because I know that it'll be okay and that I'll be okay. But the worry is still there sometimes. So I'm going to put some music on so that I don't spin and spiral within my thoughts, and so that I can get some sleep. And I'm reading this book. And I will catch up with you tomorrow. Bye-bye. I put too much instant in there. It tastes like mud, but it's okay. I just finished this book. It's really popular. You've probably seen it online. I highly recommend it. It is truly devastating, which is good that I'm out here in the middle of nowhere and there's nobody else here, because if I wanted to, I could just cry all I want. But I don't think I'm going to, but I'm going to be reading this again. I took the cover off of it because I didn't want it to get ruined. But yeah, go read that. Go read this. Read it. It's terrible. It's so good. It's terrible. Terrible. Alright, if you watched my last video, I teased this super hard, but now you're gonna see it. Now you're gonna see. You're gonna see the hobby that is taking up so much space in my passenger seat that I almost didn't bring it. That's right. I brought the damn piano with me. Let's turn it. Oh. All right. This is what I remember of Gnossienne number 2 by Erik Satie. Y'all already know I am a Satie girl. I'm a Satie girl. Stop! Oh, I'm stupid. Anyway. Alright, so this is kind of what I remember, which is fair use if I'm the one that plays it, so get off my back, YouTube. I'm just out here playing piano in the wilderness. Erik Satie is really easy for beginners. This song especially, because it's like, these are the only chords. And then that's just it. And then the rest is like, after having so many years of piano lessons, this should not be the level that I'm at, but this is, you know, it's something. At least I can play something. Stop. Ah. Oh, dude. Oh. Oh my god, that was butchered. Dude, it's only like noon and I've already lost most of the sunlight at my campsite. So that's really unfortunate. I don't know what to do. I've been playing piano for like 3 hours. I got stuck on it. I got sucked into it. Now what? I could just keep playing. I spent some time like remembering the song and practicing it. It's a piano cover of Walking in the Air by George Winston. I don't know who originally did Walking in the Air, but I know that George Winston covered it, so I'm gonna cover George Winston's cover, which I don't know if that falls under fair use. So I don't think I'll get copyright struck. But anyway, I'm going to attempt to play this better. That tree branch just moved on its own. That branch right there just started moving on its own. I hate that. Oh my god. It was probably nothing, but anyway, I got super distracted. I always get distracted when I play this. I don't know, it's like, ooh, make noises. I always get really distracted when I play piano, and like I can't learn anything without going through all of the things that I used to know. There's this one song, I think it's from Hymns from the Rig Veda. I don't know who composed it, but it's a piece for treble choir with a harp accompaniment, but you can play the harp accompaniment on piano. And I don't know if I have the dexterity to play this like I used to. It's like one of my favorite songs. It's so gorgeous. Nope. Like, how are you supposed to play that on harp? I don't know any other part of the song. It's just the... I wish I knew it. I wish I knew it. I wish I had the sheet music. Oh! Wait, I got something else stuck in my head. Wait. This dumb song. What is that song? Basically, all I do when I play piano is like, oh my god, what's that song? And then try to play it from like memory, and then I can't, and then I get frustrated, and then I think of another song, and then it's like, oh my god, what is that? and then I can't do anything, I can't make any progress, and I don't get any better. And that's why I'm like stuck in the same spot after having piano lessons for a million years, because I play piano like weird. You know what? This doesn't draw like any battery from my Jackery. I've been here for several hours, and I started at 84% and now I'm at 78% on my Jackery. So it doesn't draw any power, so it's just fueling the mania right now. I'd be better off without words. What is that song? Any of y'all like house music? Alright, well, house music has like a lot of remixes, so let's say that this is a remix of Crazy by Gnarls Barkley. I remember when I lost my mind. Oh, there was something so bad about that place. Even your emotions at an echo with so much space. Now who do you think you are? Ha ha ha, bless your soul. You really think you're in control? Oh man. I think you're crazy. Alright, it is time for Sir Piano to go away. It is like, the light is starting to, oh god, it's like mid-afternoon now. I've been playing since this morning. Ugh. My pedal got dirty, my foot pedal got dirty because I put my foot on it. Oh. Ever since I was little, ever since I was little like fun, but I'm not going to do something wrong. Will this close? Yes, it will. Well, thanks for coming to my camping concert that lasted all day, and now it's like 4 p.m. Yeah, I gotta eat. I haven't eaten since breakfast. So I decided that before I ate, I wanted to walk down and check out that muddy spot to see if it got any worse. When I woke up this morning, the ground was very hard because it was really cold. So I actually think that as long as I leave in the early morning when the ground is nice and hard, I should be okay regardless. But yeah, that's what we're doing. So I think that this was the start of the section that I was worried about not being able to get up. And now looking at it, I feel really stupid for being so worried about it because it looks totally manageable. It's not even muddy. Like, I don't know what I was hallucinating about. God, I don't... Wow, I was like up about that. I was up at night about that. It's not even muddy. Where did I get in my head that it was muddy? Maybe it was yesterday and somehow it's just miraculously gone today. Either that or I'm just crazy. I make you crazy. I think that's it. I think I'm just crazy. Unfortunately, this meal is gonna be boring too. I realized that I have a lot of like soups and easy packaged meals, but I don't have a whole lot of ingredients like to cook with. So this is just what I have right now. I'm doing this dish and I got a thorn in my hand earlier. I was like walking and swinging my arm, and then there was like an overhanging thorn, and I have to like pick out the wood still. It's still in there, but it made me think of that song. I am a man of constant sorrow. I've seen trouble all my days. Something about old Kentucky, the place where I was born and raised. A place where he was born and raised. Right now I'm trying to dig this thing out of my hand. But after that, I need to clean up this car because it took me a long time and a lot of messing things up and getting disorganized in order to find these tweezers. So I'm gonna have to put the car back together. Oh, I got it. It's small, but it felt a lot bigger. Ugh, gross. I don't know if y'all planned to watch me run around the woods and play my little piano all day. But if you're still here, thanks for watching. Oh my god, I'm cringing at myself now. It's okay though. To be cringe is to be free. And with that being said, thank you for being here. I'm gonna go to bed. Yeah. Good night.